Hello all, my name is Akash. Welcome to our video on fun and exciting commands in MATLAB. In this video, I will be sharing some interesting commands with you that are inbuilt in MATLAB software. To run these commands, I am using 2021A version of MATLAB. Some of these commands are version specific, so do check your version of MATLAB to successfully run these commands. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first command here is image. This shows you the inverted image of a boy. You can see the image here. The next command is tick tock. Just type tick at the start of the program and tock at the end of the program. This shows you the time required to execute the code. The time is shown in the command window here. Third command is not. This shows a 3D image like this. You can zoom into the image. Also you can rotate the image. Next is Warner Boy command. This shows a colorful 3D model. The fifth command is XP clean. The 3D model of self-intersecting clean bottle is shown like this. You can zoom in and rotate the model as well. Next command is wipes. This shows the bouncing graph. You can make it run faster, slower, and then done. The next command is earth map. This shows a 3D model of earth which you can zoom in and out and rotate as well. Moving further, this command world travel lets you calculate the distance between two places. You can select the origin city, New Delhi, and the destination, London, and then you can click fly. This shows you the distance between New Delhi and London. Do you want to see the famous MATLAB logo in MATLAB itself? This logo command opens up the image of MATLAB logo. 10th command is XP sound. This allows you to play some inbuilt tunes in MATLAB. The bird chirps. You can play train whistle as well. Moving further, the next command is images and video. This command shows the video made by MATLAB by compiling various images. This time it's rocket launch video. It may vary as per your version of MATLAB. The make waves command allows you to make your own shape of waves. You can click dots like here and match them at last and just right click. This creates your own waves. You can create any shape of waves. This magic 3 command creates a n by n matrix which has the equal sum of row elements, diagonal elements, and also column elements. This matrix is shown in command window here. The sum of 8 plus 3 plus 4 as well as 8 plus 5 plus 2, 6 plus 7 plus 2 is equal. The next command is notepad. This command opens up the notepad directly from the MATLAB. If any of the above command is not working in your system, please check for the correct syntax of commands and also version of MATLAB. Now we will play some exciting games in MATLAB. The 15th command is life. This shows you the Conways game of life. Play start. To check how to play this game, you can go into the info section. The next command, XP bombs. This command opens up the famous game of 90s kids, the Minesweeper. You must be knowing how to play this game. The next command, SF Tetris 2, opens the Tetris game. When you see this window, just click on run and now you can play this game. You can operate this game by using your up and down arrows from keyboard. So this ends up our video here. Thank you for watching the video. Do like the video if you found it helpful. If you have any queries, post them in the comments or get in touch with us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Education is our future. MATLAB is our future. Happy MATLABing.